Hi, I'm Dr. Friedrichs, and this is Wisconsin Spinal Rehab Center, our Brookfield location. So we're going to take you a little walk through our Brookfield location and talk a little bit about each room in the office. Follow me this way. Go. Good. So this is where everybody is greeted when they come in. We have nice tables, and you can have some healthy coffee or tea or water as you wait. And sneak over here a little bit. This is my office where I do chiropractic adjustments and consultations to determine whether or not we can help you or not. So I'm in there a lot every day. And this is our contour light therapy room. And we do light therapy in here. This helps with weight loss, along with our nutrition program that we have in coordination with the red light therapy, contour light therapy. Helps with back pain, muscle pain, increases circulation, as well as helping people lose a lot of inches, which is great. So we love this. It's very relaxing when we do that treatment. Over here, this is our examination room and x-rays, if we need to do x-rays. So we utilize digital x-rays, so there's no chemicals or no chemistry, and the x-rays show up within 30 seconds maximum, and then they're on the computer and we can review them right away, which is great. So exams and x-rays in that room. And then out here we utilize the spinal decompression therapy using the DRX 9000. These tables are used for lower back conditions, for herniated discs or degenerative disc disease or sciatic pain or stenosis, arthritis of the spine, any radicular symptoms in the arms or legs. These tables, the spinal decompression tables, help with that. So we have one for the neck, cervical spine, and we have two for the lower back or the lumbar spine. And then over here, these are therapy chairs that we use. They're called wobble chairs, and they help increase motion in the lower spine, which is really important to a healthy lower back. And we have a spinulator to help increase motion there. We use a cervical pump to help increase the cervical curve if needed. Hydro massage table, similar to our East Troy location. And a vibration plate that we use to help with muscle strengthening and help with our weight loss program as well. And then we sit here and we can watch a little education, a little TV while we're here. We have a beautiful little area in the back that will be really nice here once spring blooms. And this is just where staff is, insurance, and our front desk person to help greet everybody. And that is our Brookfield location. So thanks for taking a tour with me, and hopefully we'll see you in the office someday. Have a great day.